Did you know over half of the people who are currently employed are actually having a bit of a sweat about artificial intelligence taking their place in the workforce? Yes, more than 52 out of every 100 people who are working right now are anxious about it. AI tools are shaking up the marketing game. Take it from the recent AI Marketing Summit held in Melbourne in 2024, where two marketing agencies spilled the beans. They showed how chatgpt and midjourney, two AI tools, are handling the heavy lifting in writing marketing copy, creating brand platforms, and rolling out campaigns. And guess what? They reported an 80% reduction in their team size. It's crystal clear jobs in copywriting, social media campaign management, and marketing coordination are evolving. And it's not only marketing that's caught up in this AI bandwagon. From finance to healthcare, education to retail, all sectors are experiencing a drastic shakeup. AI is not just replacing marketing teams, but it's also making waves in customer service, financial analysis, and even medical diagnostics. To put it simply, we are all on shaky ground. The goal is not just to keep up in one industry, but to stay adaptable in all. It's no secret that there are fears over AI-driven job changes. The World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2023 made a jaw-dropping revelation. 85 million jobs might hit the chopping block by 2025 due to the evolving partnership between humans and machines. But don't lose heart, as it also predicted the emergence of 97 million new roles more suited to this new collaboration. Let's clear up a common understanding right off the bat. AI is here not to push us out of job, but to boost our abilities. Hence the phrase augmented intelligence. This neat cooperation between humans and tech tools let us make better decisions and work more efficiently. You know, AI is more than just a tool, it's a game changer, a trailblazer, giving birth to fresh industries and job openings. As these remarkable AI systems keep evolving, the hunt for tech-savvy pros who can design, operate, and sustain them keeps heating up. Now, getting AI into workplaces does mean we need to shake up our skills a bit. But rather than invalidating our current skills, AI is creating the need for new ones. It's like a wake-up call to reskill and upskill. Companies are catching on too. They are putting their money where their mouth is and investing heavily in training their employees. This ensures they have a team ready and able to harness the power of AI. Meanwhile, employees get to step up and shape our own professional growth, learning new skills that match what the evolving job market needs. So AI is not a bane, but a boon that offers exciting opportunities for us all. It's time to embrace the change and with it, a brighter future for both humans and machines. So, what do you think, guys? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. See you in the next video.